Hey guys, welcome to my channel. First video of the year. I'm pleased with myself. So happy 2019 first of all, and I hope you're having a fabulous 2019. Today what are we doing? So I'm coming to you guys with a review of the Caroline bag from Looks Like Summer. We're going to do the review, talk about it. I love it. We're going to talk about the things I love about it. I have been getting quite a few questions from you guys from my personal page and on the Modest Sisters page. So just thought, since the bag is well loved, do a review and my thoughts so far, and talk about the brown version, which I've also ordered, and in a small, so you're going to get to see the difference in sizes. And then we're going to talk about the giveaway that we've got coming up for Valentine's Day, so stay tuned. Looks Like Summer is an online shop that I came across personally when I was scrolling on Instagram, and obviously these ads target you based on your activity. I love accessories, I love sunglasses, I like jewelry, I like, not jewelry but not excessive jewelry, just really cute stuff, cute jewelry, but accessories, sunglasses and handbags and shoes, I'm there. I love that kind, I love those accessories. So I obviously, based on my activity and what I look at on Instagram, they popped up in as a sponsored advert, and I had a look and I loved what I saw, so I ordered. And I ordered the white Caroline bag, which I will show you properly in just a moment. And I love it, I love it. Just a few things I'm going to give you if you do decide to get it, a few advice or a few just a few comments on the bag, on my thoughts on it so far. And yeah, so they always have some kind of 20%, 25% offers, special offer going on, or buy this and then you get something for free, which is pretty cool. When I ordered the white one, they had an offer going, which was get a bag and then you get two accessories for free as well, which was quite nice. So I ordered 2 sets of earrings, which are really cute. I like, I'll show you them later on. Well, before I forget, I'll show you now. So these are the earrings that I got. They're really, really, really cute. I love this kind of stuff. This is my style. Yeah, it's really simple but very cute. I got those for free. The other one is somewhere in a box, which I will not try to find because we'll digress and make this video really long. Right, so let's get straight into it. I'm going to be looking over there and down there because that's where my notes are. This is where I can see the screen to make sure everything is in shot. So the white Caroline bag, here it is. Oh baby, it is the cutest thing. This is the large. If you know me, or if you don't know me, you know that I love anything white. My whole house is white. Accessories, just, this is like gorgeous. This is the large. So we're gonna unbox the brown one in a little while, and then we'll do it next to each other so you can see the size. But I just love, I think the thing that drew me to, they have other bags of course, the thing that drew me to this one is the shape. It's very, very unique, and the handle, and it's just so cool. It's just so nice. So this bag is bear with me, it's on sale at the moment. So the large, which is this size, this is the large, is $109.99. The original price was $239.99. Is it worth the 200s? I'm not sure. But I'm glad I got it in the sale when I first bought it, which is, I think, I love sales. If you're working out in pounds, it works out to be 80 something pounds, which is cool. So I've just opened it. I'll close it back up so I can show you how it opens. So it's got this little turning lock, and then it opens like that, which is really cute. And what's in there? Okay, some Christmas flyers. Take that out. And a ring that is not mine, that I took from someone. My business cards. Cool. So I have used this once. I wore it to a wedding and it was really cute. You've probably seen the picture on my Instagram, my personal one. So it's quite big, it's quite spacious. You just have to make sure that obviously you don't put anything that will ruin the shape and that it won't be able to close. So when you close it, you put the hook back on and you turn it again. I hope you can see this, I hope it's focusing. But yeah, that's that. It does have also like a little slot for cards, which again for me, my business cards are in there because you know, you never know. So it's really, really, really nice. I love this bag. I think I won't be using it all the time, just like with most of my bag. It's not an everyday bag, but it's cute. It's really, really cute, and it just makes your outfit look that much edgy. Nice. I keep mine in this dust bag that they provide with it. It's white, so obviously, and it's an odd shape, so I'm gonna make sure I look after it. I will say from when I wore it once, I wore a coral organza dress and the color actually rubbed off it. So whatever you wear, just take extra care. It's not completely tinted. I mean, it looks kind of cute anyway, with the orangey. It looks rose gold-ish, very lightly. The color rubbed off from the dress on the bag. So my little feedback is the bag obviously picks up color like crazy. So just be careful on that front. And I'm scared to clean it. I don't know what to use. So comment below if you have any suggestions of what to use to clean it off. But it's not so bad that it's an emergency to clean it off. I'm fine with just leaving it like that. So I keep mine in the dust bag provided, like I said, which is cool. So we're gonna go ahead and talk about the brown version. I ordered the brown version in express delivery, which came with DHL, and it took 2 to 5 business working days. It came in this packaging, DHL. I've got my scissors here. Cut with caution. It's got this very, very serious, oh my nails, very, very serious bubble wrapping, which I guess holds the shape. Let's put this down. Oh, this is the cutest. I won't ruin it too much because, like I said, this is for the giveaway. So I'll try to keep this bubble wrapping intact as much as possible, or reseal it, so that when you get it, the lucky winner, they would also get it intact. Just want to be careful not to cut the bubble wrapping. I have to open it. Oh, well, I don't have to, but I want to open it to show you guys the difference in size. We'll put these back in when we're done the video. So, drum roll please. I have to pull it. Oh, here it is. Oh, it's wrapped up so well. I don't want to open it. Oh. Okay, we'll go ahead and open it and then I'll show you what it looks like in comparison. Okay, no, it's just the paper with the duffel bag. Okay, cool. We'll wrap it back up. I don't remember it being this wrapped up when I first bought it. Okay, don't rip it, Oline. Alright, okay, here we go. There we go. So, this is just a plastic. It's obviously got the duffel bag on it. Taking that off, if you can see that. And that is it. Whew! stuffy. It's like the leather is really thick, which is really nice. I'm not going to remove this because that would just ruin it. I know this looks bluey, orangey, whatever this is. It's just tape, so you take that off. But that part is actually a gold knob. This is gorgeous. So in comparison of size, this is the brown, this, which is a small, and this is the large. Might be, I hope it's not too hard to see, but they look the same size. They really do look like, did they send me, or maybe they just sent me a large. I can't tell the difference. I really can't. I actually can't tell the difference. This to me is the same size. Did they send, maybe they sent me the same, because I did tell them I'm going to be doing a video. Maybe they sent me a large. Maybe they did, because guys, this is the same. I know it's hard to tell because it's wrapped up in this white thing, but this is the same. I can't tell. I'm going to have to bring my white one when I am delivering. I will deliver this in person. I'm going to have to bring my white one and watch you, the lucky winner, open this, and then we're going to do a comparison, because to me so far this looks like the same size. I ordered a large for myself originally when I bought the bag, and for the giveaway I ordered a small, which I did that just to be able to compare the size, but this looks the same in size. So maybe it's a little bit more compact because I've used this one. I don't know. I would say as well, as a tip, keep the bag stuffed with things so that it doesn't lose shape. It just makes it keeps shape better. This one is obviously still stuffed and it's hard. Keep it that way. The shape will maintain much better. And so yeah, this is so cute. This is really, really cute. So let's talk about the giveaway, shall we? I'm gonna put this back in. So in order to have the chance of be one of the lucky winners, well, it's only one, to be the lucky winner for the giveaway for the brown Caroline bag from Looks Like Summer, you've got to follow my Instagram page. You've got to be an active follower on my Instagram page, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel and like this video. Thank you for watching. I hope this has been informative, and I'm so excited for the win of this bag because it's so cute. Yeah, see you soon. Mwah.